The Ford F-150 is a profitable cornerstone of the U.S. automaker's business and now has an all-electric sibling. Ford on Wednesday unveiled his F-150 Lightning, an all-electric pickup truck that is a key part of his $22 billion investment in the company's electrification. This vehicle is his one in a trio of 40 debuts and launches in the past year, and it's probably the most tangible one in terms of revenue. Built at the automaker's Rouge factory in Dearborn, Michigan, the Ford F-150 Lightning is an all-electric Mustang Mach E and a configurable for commercial customers. It follows the introduction of E-Transit, a fully electric van. Ford put on a challenging show with the F-150 Lightning. Trucks need all the things that made gasoline cars the best. Selling cars in America, plus the new benefits that come with the move to Electrica, plus the new benefits that this means torque, horsepower, towing capacity, and general layout must match customer needs, many of which are used for commercial purposes. Vehicle specifications suggest that Ford maintained the same cab and bed dimensions as the petrol car, while still offering torque and power. This last detail is notable as it can accommodate the thousands of his F-150 truck accessories that exist today while maintaining the same dimensions. These decisions are important if Ford hopes to transform its current customer base. Note that for now, Lightning comes only as a Super Crew, 4-door with a 5.5-foot bed. Will the F-150 Lightning get a facelift, or will it appeal to an entirely new customer group? A question that will only be answered with the spring 2022 market launch. Some analysts think the Lightning has what it takes to hit Ford. Ford didn't just put a battery pack on the traditional F-150, said IC Cars calm executive analyst Carl Broer. The automaker's holistic approach to design, performance, and advanced features of the Lightning makes it a desirable truck with a conventional engine. The electric powertrain and associated instantaneous torque, increased cargo and towing capacity, and the ability to seamlessly power a home full days is an added benefit to the Lightning Go Out's sleek design, quick acceleration, and high-tech equipment. Awareness of both is clear, and the automaker is clearly committed to keeping the F-150 alive in a battery-powered world. Ford doesn't back down when it comes to payload and towing capacity. Ford says the truck's new frame uses the strongest steel he's ever put into an F-150 frame, supporting a payload of up to 2,000 pounds and a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. Said that inside the Flash, like his newly refreshed gas-powered F-150, the Lightning is equipped with connected car technology and advanced driver assistance features. The high-end Lightning trim, Lariat and Platinum versions comes with Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, which can support wireless store update system, This means the system will upgrade your vehicle during the rollout. B. Add or improve driver assistance features and map updates. Sync 4 offers third-party apps through its uplink system, such as Waze and Amazon's version of Alexa called Ford Alexa, featuring natural voice control and real-time mapping. The Sync 4 system is displayed on his 15.5-inch touchscreen that closely resembles the interior of his new Mustang Mach E electric crossover. A customizable 12-inch instrument cluster sits in front of the driver. This digital cluster also provides drivers with important information about battery operation, regenerative braking, and advanced driver assistance system functions. Darren Palmer, general manager of battery electric vehicles at Ford Motor Company, said, The F-150 Lightning offers an immersive touchscreen that instantly gives customers all the information they want, where they are going, what they are transporting, from the actual distance. You can see in real time how far you are from the bank. The update to the Ford Power Up software makes the experience even better. The F-150 Lightning will also feature Blue Cruise, the automaker's new hands-free feature. This will also be available later this year through a software update for his f-150 pickup for 2021 and select 2021 Mustang Mach E models. The hands-free feature, which uses cameras, radar sensors, and software to provide a combination of adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and speed sign recognition, has undergone about 500,000 miles of development testing, Ford pointed out in an April announcement. The system also includes an in-vehicle camera that monitors line of sight and head position, ensuring that the driver's line of sight remains on the road. The hands-free system is available on Ford's vehicles with his Copilot 360 technology and only works on certain sections of divided highways. The system, which will be rolled out via software update later this year, will initially be available on his 100,000 miles of highway in North America. Charging and electricity. Charging is of course important when driving an electric vehicle. The key is when, where, and how. Ford says customers will be notified if a truck's battery drops below 1/3 of its full range. As previously mentioned, intelligent range that takes into account towing information, payload, and weather is also communicated to the driver. A related Ford Pass app also provides customers with information about charging stations. Inside the vehicle, drivers can use the infotainment system to locate and navigate to charging stations. The truck also has an onboard power supply that, as standard, he provides 2.4 kilowatts of power, while the Laureate and Platinum series he comes standard with 9.6 kilowatts of power. The truck's Mega Power flanks is available and can deliver up to 7.2 kilowatts through the cab and bed sockets. Ford also announced a 9.6Q backup power supply. This allows him to power a home for 3 days during power outages and up to 10 days during rations.